Understanding the daylight saving time parameter on Remedy Model 1001. Understanding the daylight saving time parameter and when to use it. Daylight saving time parameter is located within the time icon. The time icon is available in several locations. However, for this video, we will concentrate on a central location, specifically the Tools pull-down menu positioned at the top left-hand side. Simply select Time. Daylight saving time is programmable under the device DST time. DST time has two functions. One, it is used to set daylight saving time within the patient's device, and two, program planned travel across time zones. The initial step in configuring DST time involves selecting the Get DST Time button to verify whether DST time is currently enabled or disabled. Setting daylight saving time or travel time is only possible when it is enabled on the device. To activate the DST time feature, simply toggle from No to Yes. Understanding the parameters for advanced date difference and back date difference. Under Advance or Back, you can choose the month. Under Date, you can select the specific date, and under Diff/Difference, you can specify the number of hours. Advance indicates moving forward in hours, while Back means moving backward in hours relative to the patient's set time zone. How to configure daylight saving time. For the year 2024, daylight saving dates are March 10th, advancing 1 hour, and November 3rd, reverting 1 hour. To set this up, set the advanced date to March 10th with a positive 1 hour difference. The back date should be set to November 3rd with a negative 3 hour difference. Simply click on the Get DST Time button to implement the changes within the device. Additionally, you have the option to schedule planned travel adjustments for patients across different time zones. Before proceeding, it's essential to configure the dates and the destination time zone for the patient's travel. For instance, consider a patient in the Eastern Standard Time Zone traveling to the Pacific Standard Time Zone on April 5th and returning to the Eastern Standard Time Zone on May 3rd. California operates in the Pacific Standard Time Zone, which is 3 hours behind the Eastern Standard Time Zone. Hence, the date of April 5th will be adjusted under the back date difference setting by 3 hours. Upon the patient's return to the Eastern Standard Time Zone on May 3rd, which is 3 hours ahead of the Pacific Standard Time Zone, the setting will be adjusted under the advanced date by 3 hours. Click on Set DST Time to implement these changes. Note that only one time adjustment can be made at a time. In the case of the mentioned patient, they would need to revisit the clinic between May 3rd and November 2nd to configure the daylight saving time change for November 3rd. These are the steps for how to set up DST time for a Remedy Model 1001.